In this tutorial, we'll cover the drawing hand. If we take a look at the drawing hand, you'll see a sphere floating above it. This is your stylus. To start creating content, press the pointer finger trigger. We can change the size of the stylus by going right and left on our joystick. If we want to undo strokes we've just made, we can press the red Undo Delete button. Each time we press the button, we'll go back a step in history. Surrounding the controller is a red sphere. This is the grab sphere. It's used in conjunction with the grab button on the side of the controller. When the grab sphere intersects geometry, the geometry will highlight. If we highlight geometry and grab with the grab button, we can move it. We can also delete geometry by highlighting with the grab sphere, holding with the grab button, and pressing the red Undo Delete button at the same time. Below the Undo Delete button is the Color Menu button. If we press it in, our menu will appear. Physically push in on the menu and out to adjust depth. We can also change the color of existing geometry by grabbing it with the grab sphere, holding the grab button, and selecting a color from the menu. We can change the color of all the geometry back to the previous colors used. Just grab the geometry, press the Color Menu button, and select from the colored spheres below. We can also duplicate objects by highlighting with the grab sphere, holding the grab button, and pressing the pointer finger trigger at the same time. Each time we click, we'll duplicate a piece of geometry. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.